Estadio Azteca. Few places in the world carry as much football history as Estadio Azteca, officially known as Wembley Stadium. This is where Pelé won his final World Cup in 1970, and where Maradona created some of the sport's most iconic moments in 1986. Located more than 7,000 feet above sea level, the stadium creates a unique atmosphere for players and fans alike. With a capacity of around 87,500 fans, Estadio Azteca remains one of the largest and most historic football venues in the world. In 2026, it will make history once again by becoming the first stadium ever to host matches in 3 different FIFA World Cups. Wembley Stadium. Known as the Cathedral of Football, Wembley Stadium is one of the most iconic venues in the sport. Rebuilt in the early 2000s, it combines tradition and modern engineering in an impressive structure. Its signature feature is the massive steel arch rising 436 feet above the stadium, visible from across London. With a capacity of around 90,000 fans, it is the largest stadium in the United Kingdom and the home of England's national team, while also hosting some of the biggest finals in European football. SoFi Stadium. SoFi Stadium represents the future of sports venues. Opened in 2020, it is considered one of the most technologically advanced sports complexes ever built and cost more than $5 billion to construct. Its most impressive feature is the massive dual-sided infinity screen, a suspended LED display that surrounds nearly the entire field. With a capacity of over 70,000 fans, expandable to more than 100,000 for major events, it will be one of the flagship venues of the 2026 FIFA World Cup. Its futuristic architecture makes it feel more like a spaceship than a traditional stadium. Camp Nou. For decades, Camp Nou was the largest football stadium in Europe and one of the most intimidating venues for Barcelona's opponents. Its colossal structure has hosted some of the greatest players in history and witnessed unforgettable moments in world football. With a capacity of over 99,000 fans after its modernization, the stadium combines tradition with cutting-edge technology. The renovation project known as SoFi Barça transformed the venue into one of the most modern arenas on the planet, while preserving the identity that made it a symbol of European football. Maracanã. No stadium represents South America's passion for football quite like the Maracanã. Originally built for the 1950 FIFA World Cup, it has hosted 2 World Cup finals, Olympic events, and some of the most memorable moments in sports history. Although its capacity has been reduced over the years to improve comfort and safety, the stadium can still accommodate around 78,000 fans. More than just a venue, the Maracanã has become a symbol of Brazilian football and one of the most recognizable stadiums on the planet.